Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox game public. First, open Roblox Studio and select the game you wish to publish. Navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner of your screen. This initial step is crucial for accessing the necessary settings to share your creation with the world. Ensure you have the correct game loaded before proceeding to the next stage of the process. From the File menu, select Game Settings. Within the Game Settings window, look for the Permissions or Privacy tab. Here, you will find an option to change your game's visibility. Choose Public to allow everyone on Roblox to discover and play your game. This is a vital step in making your game accessible to a broad audience, ensuring your hard work can be enjoyed by many. After setting your game to public, it is essential to save your changes. Click the Save button within the Game Settings window. Next, return to the File menu and select Publish to Roblox. This action uploads your game with its new public status, making it officially available. Publishing ensures all your updates and settings are live for players to experience. Finally, visit your game's page on the Roblox website to confirm its public status. You should see it listed as playable for everyone. Now, you can share the game link with friends and the wider Roblox community, inviting them to explore your creation. Keep developing and updating your game to maintain an engaging experience for your growing player base. Congratulations on making your game public.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.